Hello everyone, welcome back to another Watchin. Well, I've still got my camera out and I do have a couple box openings to do tonight, so we're going to knock those out. Before we get to that, to keep this one watch related, you'll see that I'm still wearing that Herder Morrison from the last video I just did. If you want to find out more on that, I'll put the link below. Now this box opening might be a little different for some of you if you just come to the channel, but if you've been with me for a while, you know I kind of have a thing for pens, and Whatapen.com I have bought, I'm not even sure at this point, maybe 10 or more pens from them, and I'm always super happy with what I got. So this one was one I saw on his Facebook page, which might be one of the better ways to follow Randall over there at Whatapen. Is his Facebook page. It's pretty cool because there's a lot of shows a lot of videos, a lot of the blanks he's using, and a lot of the process through what he goes through to do some of these pens. Take a look at this real quick. We'll put that up. Yeah, that's just my invoice. So we'll get a quick shot of that. So we've got, it's just a personal touch, not machine made. I think it's awesome to watch him work and see him lathe some of these pens out. We got Whatapen.com, Facebook at Whatapen, Instagram at Whatapen. You can email him, Randall at Whatapen.com. So this one, the artwork was actually from a guy named Johnny Toons. If you follow him on Instagram, you'll see some of his stuff. Get my camera to focus. I saw this and just really dug it. The artwork actually reminds me of old school Big Daddy Roth artwork. Just thought this was a cool one overall. So this one ended up being $55. Randall actually I believe shoots the artist a little bit of money for his contribution, which I think is cool. And you know, it's just another great magnetic cap ballpoint pen from Whatapen.com. Like I said, I really love his pens. I use them all the time at work. I get people commenting on them constantly. And I'm always excited to get a new one. Let me know what you guys think of this one in the comments below. And if you want, like I said, you know, Facebook, I think, is probably one of the better ways to follow Whatapen.com just because you can see everything they're working on. And he's always working on some really cool stuff. There's been a lot in the last little bit that I've really found interest in and wanted to pick up. And it had been a while since I bought myself a pen, so I decided to treat myself. What do you guys think of this one? As always, guys, thanks for watching.